Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, please subscribe my channel. So let's start the video. In today's topic is a Python installation process. So let's start the video. Step 1, download Python. Open a web browser. Visit this website python.organization. So click on downloads. Download the latest stable versions of Python suitable for your operating system, Windows, Linux or Mac. I think latest version 3.15 or something, like December released. So install that. Step 2, run the installer. Double click the download installer file. The Python setup window will be open. Step 3, add Python path. Check the option add Python to path. This allows Python to be accessed from the common command prompt or terminal. Add Python path. Check the option add Python to path. This allows Python to be accessed from the command prompt to terminal. Step number 4, install Python. Click install now. The installer copies all the request files and installs Python and pip. Wait until the installation is completed. Step number 5, verify installation. Open command prompt, Windows or terminal. So type Python / variable. If Python is installed correctly, the installed. Step 6, verify pip installation. Type pipe / verify version. Pip is used to install Python libraries and packages. Step number 7, open Python interpreter. Type Python. The Python interactive shell will appear, like a print this line, print you the command prompt. So output will be this. So next step, step number 8, install an IDE or editor. Popular tools for writing Python program includes IDLE, comes with Python, VS Code, PyCharm, Jupyter Notebook. So step number 9, create your first Python program. Create a file named hello.py. So you must know that Python file must be .py extension, and write print this hello world. Then output will be hello world. Execute the program. Open command prompt or terminal to run python hello.file, and the output will be hello world. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, so like the button and subscribe the channel if you are new here. So thank you so much.